Thanks, Lee, and thanks everyone for your interest in these elections. Indeed, EPI Council is where decisions shaping our profession are made, and with only 6 UK votes among 140 council members, every one of those voices matters. It's a pity that all of us standing can't be elected as full members of council. The EPI is, of course, the professional body with a voice at all levels of the European patent system and on a global stage. And Chris is a leader, and the UK profession has a leading role to play, and we do require strong and respected representation. And effective representation starts with listening, of course, listening to the candidates at home, as SACEPO does so well, but also listening to the voices abroad, and to influence decisions at the European and global level. We do need to understand the diverse motivations and experiences of our colleagues across Europe and build consensus from there. So, in my experience, I've as others here, made very strong connections. I think I bring a broad perspective from nearly 40 years in the patent profession. I trained in-house both in London and abroad, and then moved to private practice, first in London and now here in Scotland. I've experienced life in large firms and small firms. Nowadays, through my own consultancy, I support other practices and serve clients from multinationals to SMEs. And I think this gives me insight into the challenges faced by firms of all sizes, especially those far from London, as well as giving me a degree of independence. Within EPI, I've been active since 2008, both in council and other roles. These roles have taught me how council works and how to help it work better. Chris mentioned my work on the IT and digitalization matters. Currently, I chair EPI's Online Communications Committee, where we work closely with EPO's IT and legal experts to improve daily life for everyone. And alongside Gwilym, Chris, and others, I also regularly represent users in high-level meetings with EPO management and other user groups, notably SACEPO and the Working Party on the electronic patent process. Another point, I believe that diversity and inclusion has been a hidden strength of the European patent profession since its founding. And more recently, with the other candidates, Fatima and Nina Ferrara, I have been a prime mover in bringing diversity and inclusion considerations into the foreground at EPI. It's great that EPI now has a permanent DEI committee, where we met last week. But it's vital to have diversity champions in council as well. Council can seem an unwieldy talking shop at times, but it is literally the boss of everyone in EPI. Professional standards are important to me also, and I've been active for a number of terms in EPI's Disciplinary Committee. So we have a lot of excellent candidates. If you want an experienced, collaborative and forward-thinking UK voice on council, I ask for your support. Thank you.